Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm looking at adding fractions but looking at different denominators. So this is looking at adding fractions part 2 of the adding fractions series. Okay, if you haven't seen the first video, then I would advise checking out what happens when the denominators are the same. So I filmed that on the 15th of March 2021. But in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to add fractions when the denominators are different. Right guys, this video was recorded on Saturday the 20th of March 2021 guys. Looking at Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, GCSE 9 to 1 Foundation Tier Maths, but predominantly Key Stage 2 Maths. Right guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome, thank you for clicking on my video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos. Okay. Right guys, so in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to add fractions when these bottom numbers are different. So these are what I call denominators and these are what I call numerators. Question 1, a half plus a third. Now, when the denominators are different, guys, the rule is I have to find what I call a lowest common multiple. And that's usually found by multiplying the bottom numbers together. Sometimes it's not always the case yet, and for question 3, I haven't actually done that, but I'm gonna come on to so there are some special cases where you don't necessarily need to multiply both numbers. It is looking at what the lowest common multiple, so i.e. the lowest number that appears in both of these times tables, if that makes sense. Okay, so a half plus a third. So lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. So a half, 1 times 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. So I've got 3 sixths plus 2 sixths. Now once they are both the same on the bottom, then it's same as part 1 of my video. So same denominators, I'm going to just add the numerators together. So 3 plus 2 over 6 equals 5 over 6. Okay, so that is question 1 done, guys. Question number 2, 2/5 plus 1/4. So when I add fractions, so again, the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4 is 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. So 2/5 equals 8/20. So 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 5 is 5. 8 over 20 plus 5 over 20 is 13 out of 20, guys. Question number 3, 8 over 9 plus 1 over 3. Now, what you could do is multiply 9 by 3 and get 27, but 3 actually appears in the 9 times table, so it's 3, 6, 9. So what I can do is keep this one the same and just convert this as a fraction of a 9. 3 times 3 is 9, 1 times 3 is 3. So it's spotting and being happy with what your lowest common multiple is. And if you're not very happy, then I'm going to make a video on LCM and the HCF, so highest common factor and lowest common multiple in the common videos, guys. But the idea is looking at the times table. Okay, I mean, if that's actually too confusing, then you can put it out of 27 and then simplify your answer at the end, because it can be simplified. 8 over 9 plus 3 out of 9 is 11 out of 9. 11 out of 9 is an improper fraction, which is 1 2/9 as a mixed number. And the last one, guys, 7/11 plus 7/10. So again, lowest common multiple of 10 and 11 is 110. 10 times, so 11 times 10 is 110. 7 times 10 is 70. 10 times 11 is that. 7 times 11 is that. When I add my answer 70 plus 77 out of 110, I get 147 over 110, which is an improper fraction, or a top-heavy fraction, we say, which is 1 and 37 out of 10. Okay, and then that is my simplified answer. Now, the last part that I'm going to say, guys, is sometimes your fractions will cancel down, actually. So these ones, they didn't actually cancel to begin with, but some fractions, your answer can be simplified further by cancelling down and finding the highest common factor. Okay, right, guys. So that is the end of today's lesson. I hope you were able to take something away from this video. If you got any queries, any questions, then put it in the comment section. Feel free to check out Corbin Maths and Maths Genie for more practice and more worksheets. Okay, and lastly, guys, yeah, please subscribe to my channel and drop the video a like and press the bell icon. And lastly, what I've put here, actually, I've put East Midlands here. So I'm actually based in near actually like Nottingham area. So if anyone's looking for face-to-face tutoring once lockdown is over, in the East Midlands area, so I cover pretty much all of Nottingham and all of like Lincolnshire area. Okay, drop me an email. Yeah, I'm gonna put the email in the description below if you're looking for like face-to-face or online tutoring. Okay, cheers guys, take care, and I'll see you soon.